part 2 of our Ikea Play Kitchen makeover. After using it for a couple of months, we realized that there were some changes that needed to be made, like adding back in some storage so that we can put things that require a little bit more responsibility up higher, putting in a lock because toddlers with access to water will toddler, and some waterproofing measures like adding in a backsplash and some caulking. Boop, boop, boo, doo, doo, doo.
I was having a hard time deciding if I should keep the play microwave, and ultimately decided that I like the simplicity of open shelves more. But that means that the whole shelf needs to be taken apart and reassembled to make it work. Bye-bye microwave and backing board. For a smooth surface, you can just flip the shelf board over. Reassembly can be a little bit wonky, but luckily my toddler was there to help. I really like how clean and open it looks now. Unlike the original placement, I want the shelf to be flush with the back of the counter, which means that it's going to need some new holes. Tyler marked the new location and then used a 3/32 drill bit to pre-drill. Once aligned, the original hardware can be reused. I want to add a backsplash so that water doesn't spill out the back and, puddle where I can't see it. We're using a scrap piece of wood, and I had just enough contact paper left over from the counter to cover it. Working with the scraps, I did my best to line up the pattern. And the hairdryer to seal it all up. This part is always so satisfying. Tyler pre-drilled 3 holes in the groove and got the backsplash in place. Next up, waterproofing. Tyler used clear silicone caulking where the shelf meets the counter, along the backsplash, and on all 4 sides of the contact paper covered shelf insert where the water collects. That part sees a lot of spills. Lastly, we added a magnetic lock. The one we got has a handy lock alignment tool. To make sure that it closes properly, line up the existing cabinet stop with the one that's already in place. Peel off the backing on both sides and close the door. Once secure, remove the alignment tool and you're good to go. These little changes make it more functional and definitely reduce the mess potential. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or recommendations. A like and subscribe is wonderful too. See ya!